What's up friend, my name is Ben and today I have a very interesting video for you. Recently, in fact a day ago, Xiaomi introduced their brand new device called Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. As you guys know, Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, its predecessor, has been, well, it's one of the most successful phones Xiaomi ever made. And with the release of Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, we will expect that to play on and at least I expected, the company will even further improve with the new Redmi Note 6 Pro. And that definitely happened, and today we'll be comparing the old Redmi Note 5 Pro with the new Note 6 Pro. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. We will be comparing 5 different points and we will starting with the first one, which are the specs. Now this is a bit funny, but Xiaomi decided to keep the exact same specs with the Note 6 Pro as they did with the Note 5 Pro. So essentially, the specification wise, nothing has really changed, improved, but there are many other improvements in other areas. Up next, let's look at the display. The display is improved on the Redmi Note 6 Pro and they did introduce the notch. Now, Xiaomi is introducing the notch with basically all their new phones, and they started with the Poco F1. And the new Note 6 Pro features a 6.26 IPS LCD display, which is better, not because of the resolution necessarily, but because it gives you more screen real estate to work with, and essentially it's a better display since it's bigger and a bit better. The screen to body ratio is now 86%, which is definitely another step in the right direction by Xiaomi. The price has not changed at all, which means that the price that was with the Note 5 Pro, which is around 215 euros for me, around $230 I believe, is exactly the same with the Note 6 Pro, which is definitely really good, which means that Xiaomi is not increasing prices, they're just increasing and improving the performance, the specifications and features of the phone, which is another good thing. Another tiny improvement with the Note 6 Pro is the camera department. Now the pixels are now larger and also the aperture is improved, which essentially means that you will be getting better pictures in low light situations, but you will also be getting better pictures in day-to-day situations. The aperture is basically how much light the camera will let in, which I'm guessing will really make a big difference in the day-to-day basis, where you'll be taking a lot of pictures in normal daylight. But the larger pixels will definitely come into play in low light situations, which will take out all those pixely areas in your images, and it will the pictures will now be a lot better, and there will be a lot less noise. Finally, the fifth point that we'll be looking at is the design, and again, there's not much difference here. The only difference is on the front. On the back, the phones are exactly identical, nothing has changed, but on the front we do have more screen real estate, and we do have that notch, which basically means the display will now extend into the corners of the device, which will give you more screen real estate. Now, in my opinion, if you have the Redmi Note 5 Pro, definitely do not upgrade to the Note 6 Pro. But if you have the Redmi Note 3, Note 4, definitely consider the Note 6 Pro, since it has improved over the Note 5 Pro, and you're basically paying the exact same price for a new Note 6 Pro basically than you were for the Note 5 Pro. So definitely, if you're in a market for a new phone, the Redmi Note 6 Pro is the way to go. So hopefully guys you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to compare the old Note 5 Pro to the new Note 6 Pro. Again, not a big difference, but I do think this phone, the Note 6 Pro, will gain even more popularity, even more than the Note 5 Pro already has. So hopefully guys enjoyed this little comparison. If you did, definitely consider dropping this video a like, and I'll see you all next time.